3,
All right.
2, 1.
Hey, you need an intro. Hey, Hopper.
Welcome back.
Wait, Mister, do you edit your videos? Wait,
No, it's just
Today,
unedited.
Today.
First, all unedited first take. Crazy. All right. 2 graphs here.
I lost my pencil.
What kind of? We're writing the rule still. Same as last week.
Yay.
What are our 2 different kinds of situations we have? Arithmetic and geometric. How do we tell which is which? One adds or subtracts, one multiplies or divides. So, looking at C on your worksheet, right? C. All right. Is it adding or multiplying? How do you know?
It's adding.
What are these?
Points.
They're points.
Oh.
Would it help if it was a table? Does that make more sense?
Yes.
Okay. Let's make a table then. What goes up here?
1,
1.
3, 3.
No, like, what are our variables? Is it x and y?
No, it's
Oh, it's t of n and n.
Yeah.
So what goes here? Gotta be quiet in the background or it's hard to hear.
1, 4, 6.
What if it wasn't recorded?
Wait, no, it's 3, 4.
Yeah.
Which is down here? What is this?
N.
That's n. So is that the first number or the second number?
First.
First. It's like x. So 3, 4, 5, right? Ooh, they're in order. That's nice. You don't have to do this. You should just be able to look at that. Will you put whatever you got away? What goes over here?
1, 4, 16.
1, 4, 16. All right, Claudia, is it adding or multiplying? Adding?
Multiply.
Multiplying.
Oh, it's adding
It's
one each
follow.
time.
The n, this is going by ones. But remember, this is like the money side right here. So it's multiplying, so we're gonna have geometric. So what's the rule look like? Just in general. You know what I'm saying?
You just multiply by 4.
Multiply, okay, so how does that look? What do I write? Like, how do I make the rule?
This
Oh,
is geometric, right?
T of n
T of n
equals 4.
is 4.
N minus 3 plus 1.
Huh?
No, and in a parentheses, don't check.
Oh, parentheses? When I said what does it look like, I was hoping you would say that.
But we can't have y, there's no y in there.
Okay, but okay. T of n, we're going to have the initial value, the multiplier, and power. That's geometric. If you haven't written those down yet,
Write them down.
It's written down, but not on the paper, so we write it on the paper.
yeah, well, somewhere to where you can look at it, to where you know when it's geometric, that's what it's going to look like. Always, every time.
Y equals, or T of n equals 1.
What do we know so far? What do we know, Leanne? Is it a multiplying by 4? Which one of these is the multiplier? B. So we know that's a 4. Do we know the initial value? We don't, do we? So we would either have to go backwards or remember the new way. It's kind of like point slope form. Yeah, Elisha, what would you do?
3 for...
3 right here?
No. Yeah. No.
Maybe. What?
You put 3 there and the 1
No,
on
you
top.
put 1 first. And...
Remember,
Oh.
when you plug
Wait,
this
yeah.
number in for n, you should get this number for t of n.
It's T of n equals
N
1
minus
and
3.
then 1 and then 3 on
And
top.
subtract 3.
That would be it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then...
Does that work? Always check. Make sure. Maybe we got them switched. I don't know. So just be like, okay, plug in 3 for n. If I do 3 minus 3, what do I get?
0.
0.
0,
What's 4 to the 0 power? 1. And what's 1 times 1?
1.
1. It works. So t of n would equal 1 if n is 3. If I plug in 4 for n, let's check because we're crazy like that. You do 1, times 4. If I plug in 4 for n, right? I should get 4. That's my final answer, right?
Yeah.
4 minus 3 is 1. 4 to the first power is 4. 4 times, it's 4. Oh, it works. So there's your rule. Could anyone tell me a different rule that would still work? What would change? How could you change that to make a different rule that would still work?
Change the.
No, not y equals m plus b. That'd be arithmetic. I'd be adding. It's still multiplying.
Change,
This won't change.
Change B.
The
No, don't change.
multiplier won't change.
Change A.
Change this and this. And you can make another rule that still works.
What about the y minus y?
That's only for arithmetic.
What is that? Okay, that's arithmetic. Okay,
Only.
thank you.
This is geometric. We'll do that next. So this one you could have done, let's say you pick 5 and 16. Should you 5 here, 16 here, 5 here, 16 here? I don't know. Just remember, if you plug this 5 right here, you should get 16 as your answer. So the whole goal is, better put a 5 right here and 16 right here. Because guess what? If you put 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1 times 16, I get 16. That would work also. That is the same thing.
So, but instead of doing that, could you just automatically like think that that's going to be 1, so it's just going to equal the same thing?
So that's all the geometric ones are the same. They're always this. If you know the initial value, that's great. You don't have to put minus anything up here. Like if this table went backwards and it said 0, whatever, that'd be nice. Because then I can just put that right there. It's easier. That's geometric. So everything that's geometric, you do it that way. What's this one?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. That's F on your thing, right?
Yeah.
How do you know it's arithmetic?
Because it's.
It's adding 10. Okay, so what do you know?
I know that when it's arithmetic, it's supposed to be y minus y.
Oh, so you want to do this?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Or T of n and n?
No, I like but I like that. So.
Okay. What do you know?
I know that the m is
M is 10.
Yeah.
Good job, because it's going up by 10 every time, right? Or you could do rise over run, changing y over changing x, right? So if you like multiply 28 minus 18 over 7 minus 6, it's 10 over 1. Yeah, it's 10. But when they're in order, it's really easy, isn't it? It's just whatever it changes by, that's the slope. So we know that's 10.
And then you put in the y for the y.
And then you pick one of those and you put it in, right?
Put an 8.
This one?
Yeah.
So it'll be y minus 8, x
Minus 5.
minus 5. What if we wanted in y equals mx plus b?
So then you do a.
How do you change that to y equals mx plus b? You know, Evelyn?
You just solved it?
Like you're falling asleep back there.
Dude,
It's just for asking me. Oh, and all my subscribers. They're used to it.
All one of them.
all your 10 subscribers that don't watch the.
Actually, he has 41 subscribers.
And only like one view on each video.
Wasn't it like 42 last time we checked?
To be exact.
Wasn't
I'm
it
up
like
to, I'm up to
43?
43 now.
On each
It
video
was like,
on
yeah,
average.
43
I think Jessica subscribed.
No, I subscribed. What are you talking about? I subscribed to you.
I don't, I just searched up.
Hey, I was your first
You're
subscriber.
just there.
That was years ago.
I never subscribed to Michael.
Yeah, I was born years ago, just saying. It's okay, I already have.
Anyway, alright. Y equals mx plus b. That's what we want. What are we going to do, Trish?
Why are you asking me?
I don't know. Just picking on the back
Because your name
row.
is Trish.
Juan, you're next. Every video?
Okay, wait. What are you talking about? How you get that into y equals mx plus b?
Emily! How do we get y equals mx plus b?
The one time I want to participate, I can't even participate.
I
Yes.
swear, I thought you.
Hold your eye out.
We have an algebra.
Yes.
Are you doing Missoula?
Yeah. Awesome. I'm a theater kid.
It's not that way.
Shakespeare. It's my dad.
You add 8 to 50,
No. It's like
and then
Yeah,
you negative 58,
Oh,
where?
and then 42.
That's why I can listen.
Wait, though. It says T of N and N, not Y and X.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. So
Just
you have
change it.
Yeah. So yeah, just change it. I'm smart. I knew that. Then you can just leave it like that because you don't care if we don't have to do anything else with it, right?
Wait, Mitchell, can you like move a little?
So that's the answer in that form. That could have been the answer if you wanted it in that form.
Okay, so that's it. Next, what are we doing now?
I'm going to give you another one. Well,
yeah.
no, you didn't finish. Back two.
Right here.
Go on your homework sheet. And I have another one for you.
Just give us
Just give you the other one. Don't throw it away if you want.
Wait, so this could have been you
Hey.
answering this?
Hey, if I crumble this up,
Little saw.
if I crumble this up and make it, I don't have to do my homework.
Megan, no. How dare you?
Yeah?
I actually watched like all of those movies this weekend.
So that's it. Finish this one.
Bye.
And the back.
You're still recording. Bye,
Yeah, you're still
Hoppers.
recording.
Bye,
Bye,
hoppers.
followers.
Bye. Fight me, Zane.
Yeah, that way.
Let's go right now.
Never said anything.
I'm just kidding, Zane. That got on your video. That's gonna be really weird.